might get back over and get another one.
I'm glad y'all caught something.
We were like you guys when we first hit the pond. There they was. Wasn't very far down there.
Yeah, we went the other way.
How many's in there? 7?
7 chicks.
Got 7 chicks and one
adult.
Joker's got some big old legs on them.
Yeah, they do. They actually look bigger than the adults.
Mm-hmm. On that day, you probably wouldn't get on your bait quite yet.
Well,
No.
in the back.